everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'll show you something pretty cool today, especially that it's middle of January and everything's starting to push growth. Asparagus coming up, blueberries, apium is blooming, and so forth, and almond is blooming or starting to bloom. So I need to do this now before I can't do it because it won't make any sense later on. Okay, I have a few apple trees and I grafted many varieties on them. Gala, Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, Fuji, Macintosh, King David, Pink Lady, etc. There's more. So I just grafted a whole bunch. So here is my 4-in-1 espalier, Granny Smith, but remember it's a whole bunch of other grafts, and a Fuji with a lot of grafts. And I also have around the corner, I'll show you in a moment, is a Pink Lady. I also had a Sweet 16, but I didn't like the location. It didn't grow enough or that fast, so I did some grafts. So I'll put in the video right now on how I do these grafts. Right in the video right now, I'll send up the link. Here in California, the leaves don't really fall off of apple trees that much. Here in Central California, Zone 9B especially, all these leaves were, hand plucked off by me just to force some dormancy. But if I didn't do that, a lot of the leaves would stay on if we didn't get heavy winds. We got heavy winds about 3 to 4 weeks ago. And I'll also show a video in the link up in the video right now on an experiment I did a little while ago with the leaves of apples, and I'll show that right now. Now in this tree, the winds knocked off all the leaves. So that's good. Now I'm going to show you something very interesting. Right here, this bump is a graft of a Pink Lady. Check out this branch. Leaves never came off. Still bright green on the top even. So the leaves never came off, and this branch that I grafted of Pink Lady produced the most apples of any variety I had. It didn't matter how hot it got, it still just kept growing. And it was like that one branch produced like 15 apples that I didn't even thin, and they produced pretty good sized apples too. So let me show you right now the side garden where the Pink Lady apple is. Let me show you that one. So amongst papayas, baby moringa trees, is a Pink Lady apple tree. Now this one, you could pull off the leaves a little bit easier, but they still kept all the leaves, and I pruned off a lot of it because I'm going to graft this variety onto those trees. The rest of those branches, I'm going to change them to Pink Lady. They'll have some other varieties on them, but I'm not going to keep the varieties that didn't make it. And here are those prunings of the Pink Lady that I'm going to be grafting with today. We're having an early spring this year, so good thing I'm caught up. I've been getting prepared for spring since Thanksgiving. I'm glad I did, because I don't have much time now to do all that work if I didn't do anything. Happy gardening, everyone.